Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, that is the US dollar index, the DXY, has sunk further to a low of 90.80 and therefore has given some of the pairs a little bit more bullish bias. Starting with the Australian dollar, we're back up to the top side of the range around 77.70. After inking in a high of 77.80, you can see here that the market is still respecting its key level at 76.90. After many attempts last week, we're back to the top side of the range, but the bulls are likely to be a little bit cautious because previously when we challenged this top side, we got a strong rejection from 78.15. So no doubt the bullish attempt may find an ambush from that region of 78.15 and send the market back to the bottom side of its range at 76.90. The euro is attempting to stage another upward step, but needs to clear this level seen around 121.80.90. If it can break that level, then we get another squeeze back to that 122 region. But at present, we're still maintaining above this midway point on the RSI. So in respect of how the pattern looks, we are overheating somewhat with the ADX, is that we should see failed attempts to at least that top side. So there is about 70 points left in the challenge to the upside, but likely to fail. And with the eyes looking to this Tuesday and Wednesday of the US Federal Reserve rate meeting, it is widely expected they will keep rates on hold around zero, and therefore could see a little bit of a up step in the euro. But if we do get a slightly statement that is from Jerome Powell being somewhat hawkish, then we could see the dollar strengthen and the euro drop back to this support, seen somewhere around 119.90. The dollar yen is coasting its way towards the target of 107.30 to 106.60. With the ADX holding firm, we are extremely oversold, so I do feel profit taking is only just around the corner, and we could see a rejection from this base. But do keep an eye on this trend, as we could see a little bit of a small push to the upside due to the oversold condition. Sterling, a little bit mixed after rejection last week at 140 and then staging a bounce of 138.20. And nevertheless, the market is still somewhat negative, and I still feel we are looking down towards that 137 region for this week. This in turn will see sterling yen push lower to its objective of 148.40, which could see some profit taking. Technically, does hold bearish. Looking at the support for gold, which is somewhere around 1,772. We are a little bit mixed here with the cap holding at 1,800. Nevertheless, I do feel that the market could stage one more test up, but likely to fail. Keep an eye on this support because we could eventually see the market turn back and see some profit taking since the bounce off this 1,680. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market is still somewhat negative since the rejection of $64 a barrel. And I do feel that we are looking down towards that 60 to 58 region. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoyed the great start to this new week.